Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your Canva designs for client delivery, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your Canva designs for client delivery, begin by ensuring you are logged into your Canva account. Open the specific design you want to deliver to your client. Review the design thoroughly to confirm it meets your client's specifications. Next, prepare to download the design. Click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the Canva interface. From the drop-down menu, select the Download option. Choose the appropriate file format for your design, such as PNG, JPG, or PDF, based on your client's needs. Adjust any additional settings, like selecting the image size or transparency options, if necessary. Once you have made your selections, click the Download button. Allow the design to process and download to your device. After downloading, open the file to verify that it appears as you intended. If you need to add additional authentication, consider watermarking your design. To watermark, you can create a new layer with your logo or text. Adjust the opacity to ensure it does not distract from the main design. Save the watermarked version in the same file format. Now, write a brief email to accompany the design. In your email, explain the contents of the attachment. Include a note about any rights or usage limitations, if applicable. Lastly, formally request feedback from your client after they review the design. This process ensures your Canva designs are authenticated and professionally presented for client delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.